be showing you how I make mini flatbread pizza for your kids. First, you need flatbreads. This smells so good. You need a pizza dish for your flatbreads. I'm going to be adding pizza sauce. I like this one because this one has garden vegetables. Now we're gonna add pizza cheese. I'm gonna add some olive oil to some pizzas. We're going to put Italian seasoning. We're going to add pepperoni to 3 pizzas. 1, 2, 3. We're going to put it at 350. We're going to put the timer for 7 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to make pizzadillas. We're going to need some flour tortillas. This is simple. It's great for kids. Now we're going to let the pizzadillas melt. Look, they're getting crispy. Voila, our pizzadillas are ready. And also, the other pizzas are ready. Look how good this looks. This looks so delicious and yummy. Look, we're cutting the pizzadillas. Look, we cut them and they look like little pizzas. Look at the pizzadillas. We're going to taste it now. This tastes so delicious. They both taste so delicious.
So guys, literally, my brother just made this. By the way, subscribe to Axel TV because I'm his brother. So basically, he just made this delicious pizza for some reason. I'm thinking that you should try it. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Awesome, chef. That thing's so delicious, I swear to God. Make sure to like and subscribe, turn notifications, and subscribe to my brother and subscribe to Access TV, bro. I mean, I do soccer videos, but like, he's a chef. He's a chef now. And he made this delicious food, man. Like, look, I can't even imagine. It tastes way better than pizza. Alright, see you guys. Peace.